Downloading Tide Bank Statement. In today's video, you are going to learn how to download Tide Bank Statement. So let's get started. First, you have to download the Tide app. Open the Tide app and tap your initials in the top left corner to go to your profile and settings. In your profile and settings, navigate to bank account and here select statements and documents. After that, you have to click on account statements. Here choose either a monthly statement or a custom data range. After that, the custom range can cover up to 6 months and up to 3 days before the current date. Once you have selected the period, tap the share button to download and save the statement as a PDF. You have one alternative method, and that is you can download from the web browser. From here, you can go to their website and you can log into your Tide account from a web browser. In the Accounts menu, select the account you need for a statement. Click on Account Details. Here, go to Statement section, type and choose a custom range and select your desired date range and download the statement. And that's all. That's how you will be able to download your Tide Bank statement. Thanks for watching.